forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss inverse of a matrix. First of all, singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular matrix if determinant A equal to 0. For example, let A is equal to 2, 1, 6, 3. Then determinant A is equal to 2, 6, 1, 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 and 1 into 6 6 equal to 0. Since determinant A equal to 0, therefore A is singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be non-singular matrix if determinant A not equal to 0. Just compare singular matrix and non-singular matrix. In singular matrix, determinant A equal to 0, and non-singular matrix, determinant A not equal to 0. Problem number 1. Determine the value of x for which the matrix A equal to this is singular. Since A is singular matrix, therefore determinant of matrix A is equal to 0. अब now simplify. X plus 1 minus 5 4 minus 3 x plus 2 1 4 2 x minus 6 equal to 0. अब simplify this. अगर हम सिंपल इसको ओपन करेंगे then x into x into x cubic polynomial, so calculation is tough. Just observe 4 2 6 minus 6 1 or 2 3 minus 3 1 or 4 5 minus 5 means R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So applying this. Next step, x plus 1 minus 5 plus 4, so only x. This plus this plus this x. This plus this plus this x. Minus 5 x plus 2 2 4 1 x minus 6 equal to 0. Next step, taking common x from R1, so 1 minus 5 4 1 x plus 2 1 1 2 x minus 6. अब there are 3 1 in row 1, so applying C2 tends to C2 minus C1 and C3 tends to C3 minus C1. So next step implies 1 minus 5 4 C2 minus C1 1 minus 1 0 x plus 2 minus minus 5, so x plus 7 1 minus 4 minus 3 1 minus 1 0 2 minus minus 5 7 x minus 6 minus 4, so x minus 10 equal to 0. अब now expanding along R1, so x in bracket 1 into this x plus 7 into x minus 10 minus 7 3 ja 7 into minus 3 minus 21, so plus 21, then minus 0 and plus 0 equal to 0. X in bracket, open the bracket, x into x, x square minus 10x plus 7x minus 70 plus 21 is equal to 0. x square minus 10x or 7x minus 3x minus 70 or plus 21 minus 49 is equal to 0, implies either x equal to 0 or this equal to 0, x equal to 0 or x square minus 3x minus 49 equal to 0. Next step, simplify this by quadratic formula. One of the answer is x equal to 0. अब use quadratic formula, x equal to minus b, so plus 3 plus minus b square, 3 is minus 3 square 9 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 49, so 49 4 ja 196, so plus 196 upon 2a, so equal to 3 plus minus 196 plus 9, so 205. Inverse of a matrix. A square matrix A is said to be invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Since A is non-singular matrix, therefore its determinant is not equal to 0, and A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into identity matrix. Next step, clearly determinant A not equal to 0 means we can divide throughout by determinant A. So divide throughout by determinant A. So we get A into adjoint A upon determinant A is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A into matrix A is equal to I. This is look like AB equal to BA equal to I. Product of two matrices is equal to identity matrix. Then one of the matrix is inverse of others. Means B is inverse of A or A is inverse of B. So this into this equal to identity matrix. Means this is inverse of matrix A. Therefore A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A, where determinant A not equal to 0. Remarks. Number 1, A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A equal to identity matrix. And remark number 2, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A. This is very important results. Determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A for objective questions. Now proof of this. Since A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix, it is given A into A inverse equal to identity matrix. Now taking determinant on both the sides, next step, apply this formula. determinant of product of two matrices is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Properties of determinant. So now separate, both are matrices, so we can write determinant A into determinant of A inverse, and determinant of identity matrix is 1. Next step, determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A. Since A inverse exists, it means determinant A not equal to 0. So we can apply this formula. Question number 1. If A equal to this, find A inverse. Since A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A, where determinant A not equal to 0. तो सबसे पहले आपको डिटरमिनेंट ए की वैल्यू निकालनी और चेक करनी है वो जीरो तो नहीं है. इफ डिटरमिनेंट ए इक्वल टू जीरो देन ए इनवर्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. और एक और महत्वपूर्ण जो बात है कि जब भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा आपके एग्जाम में तो आपके दिमाग में डाउट आता सर इसको एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से करना है, इससे करना है. अगर पर्टिकुलर कोई मेथड आपको गिवन है तो उससे ही करना, अदरवाइज आप चाहे जिससे कर सकते हैं, आप फ्री हैं उसके लिए. तो फर्स्ट फाइंड डिटरमिनेंट है. डिटरमिनेंट ए equal to 1 1 1 3 4 3 3 3 4, expanding along column 1. So 1 in bracket 4 4 ja 16 minus 9, then minus 1 12 minus 9, then plus 1 9 minus 12 is equal to 16 minus 9 7, 12 minus 9 3, so minus 3, 9 minus 12 minus 3, so is equal to 1. Clearly 1 not equal to 0. After this find cofactors. So find cofactors. Cofactor of 1, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 3. After this cofactor of 1, cofactor of 4, cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 1, 3 and 4. Equal to 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 equal to, plus sign minus sign, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Now bracket equal to 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 equal to. अब दिस इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. कंप्लीट करो. कोफैक्टर ऑफ 1 4 4 जा 16 minus 9, then cofactor of 3 4 minus 3. चेक करना है कहीं गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. 1 लिया तो 16 minus 9, देन 3 लिया तो 4 minus 3. अब इस 3 को लेंगे तो 3 minus 4, फिर इस 1 को लेंगे तो 12 minus 9, फिर उसका लेंगे 4 को तो 4 minus 3. अब इसका लेंगे अपन 3, ये वाला 3 लास्ट वाला, इसलिए मैंने एक एक लाइन छुड़वा ही दिया यहाँ पे ताकि वेरीफाई हो. 3 minus 3. अब उसके बाद 1 के लिए 9 minus 12, फिर 3 के लिए 9 minus 12, अब 3 के लिए 3 minus 3, फिर 4 के लिए 4 माइनस 3. अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. 16 माइनस 9 7 माइनस 1 माइनस 1. 12 माइनस 9 3, सो माइनस 3. 4 माइनस 3 1 0. 9 माइनस 12 माइनस 3. 3 माइनस 3 0. 4 माइनस 3 1. और यहाँ पे हमेशा क्रॉस चेक कर लेंगे. कैलकुलेशन है प्लस माइनस. 61 माइनस 9 7. 4 माइनस 3 1, बट आउटसाइड माइनस साइन, सो माइनस 1. 3 माइनस 4 माइनस 1. 12 minus 9 3, so minus 3. 4 minus 3 1. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 3 0 and 1. Now write cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix is equal to now write cofactor matrix. Continue. C is equal to 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1. Therefore adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So write transpose of this. 7 minus 1 minus 1, then minus 3 1 0, then minus 3 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 and minus 3 0 and 1. अब now write A inverse. So therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A, means 1 upon 1 into adjoint A. Adjoint A means 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1 is equal to 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 1 0 minus 3 0 1. In next lecture we will do more question based on inverse of a matrix. Thank you. Have a nice day.